friends, on this video here you can see whenever you are trying to use your camera, this option is shows. Okay, it says enable camera. All apps and services with the camera permission will be able to use the camera. So what you need to do is that this option is to come when you lock it. Okay, you just tap on unlock. After that, from here you can use your camera. And let's talk about the camera features. Okay, so friends, here first of all you can see this is the flashlight. From here you can activate auto flashlight and you can off auto flashlight, and here activate this flashlight also whenever you capture the photos. Okay, if you want to off, then you can off by just this cutting flash. And friends, here you can see you can scan if you want some scanner, then here's the scanner. Okay, see, you can scan from here. And this is the portrait mode, which blur the background, and it will blur the background but it will not blur your object. And here is the night, and here is the aperture. I think this is new for me, aperture. I have not clicked. So friends, when you tap on this more options, here you can see under the more options there is slow motion video, HDR photo, HDR video, time lapse, super micro, watermarks, high RUS, solo cut, story, scan document, multi video, and more. Okay, this is the pro. So from here there is many features. If you don't know how to use these features, then you can check video how to use this pro camera HDR photo, how you can use. Okay, you can check the videos on YouTube. So friends, this is the camera features that you are getting, and how you can use is that you can check on YouTube. I have created some videos, you can check that. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.